Little fucker is at it this morning. For those of you who are looking to maybe re-landscape your homes, and you're looking for, like, how do I design this? How do I lay it out? Don't put an ornamental crabapple tree right outside, or any tree right outside your window. I've got a tree 6 7 feet away from this window, and it's just bird heaven, chirping like this every morning. Yo, man, we done?
What?
I'm making a video. What you doing? Yeah, this bird is just going ape shit outside the window.
Come on, let's go feed the bird. Come on.
And she just went outside to feed the birds with the dog, so now he's going to stop chirping. But yeah, that's every morning. You get the little guys that sit in the tree and just chirp, 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 chirp. And once she puts the food out, you'll get the large blackbirds with the orange stripe down their wing that'll go out there and you'll be like, bah, 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 letting everybody in the neighborhood know that the food's out. And then once the blue jays see that the peanuts are out, fuck me running. It's all over. The Blue Jays will be squawking their fucking heads off to let every Blue Jay know in the Tri-County area that we got fucking peanuts out there. Anyway, that's my morning.